I am looking at a box that is roughly the size of a thick novel, yet it packs more processing power than the massive towers we were building just a few years ago. This isn't just another compact desktop meant for hiding behind a monitor. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about local computing, especially when it comes to the world of artificial intelligence. Most of us are used to sending our data to a remote server whenever we want to use an AI tool, but this tiny machine changes that dynamic entirely. It houses a new generation of specialized silicon designed specifically to handle those heavy workloads right there on your desk. We are talking about trillions of operations every single second, allowing you to run complex models locally without needing an internet connection. That is a huge win for privacy and a massive jump in speed. Inside this tiny chassis, the hardware is almost hard to believe. While most small computers might give you enough memory for a few browser tabs, this one supports a staggering amount of memory that would make a professional workstation blush. You can load it with massive amounts of high-speed storage, making it a dream for anyone dealing with huge video files or giant datasets. It uses a clever architecture that mixes high-performance cores with efficiency cores. This means it stays quiet when you are just writing an email, but can unleash a torrent of power the moment you start a heavy render or a complex simulation. The integrated graphics are also a major step up. You can actually do real creative work or play modern games without needing a giant dedicated card. However, if you do want more graphical muscle, it features a specialized port specifically for connecting an external graphics housing. This gives you a path to upgrade that most small computers simply do not offer. The networking is equally impressive. It features the newest wireless standards and multiple wired ports that can handle data at professional-grade speeds. This makes it perfect for a home lab or high-end office setup, where every second of file transfer matters. You have to consider the trade-offs, though. Putting this much heat-generating hardware into a small space requires a serious cooling solution. Even with a dual fan system, you are going to hear those fans spinning up when the machine is under a heavy load. It is also a significant investment. You are looking at a cost of $1,400 or more, which is not a budget-friendly option for someone looking for a simple web browsing machine. It is a high-end tool for early adopters and power users who want the absolute latest technology. Finding one might be tough because it is so new to the market and you are definitely paying a premium for being at the cutting edge. But for those who need this kind of specialized power in a portable form factor, it feels like a glimpse into the next decade of personal computing. It is fast, it is incredibly flexible, and it proves that the era of the giant, clunky desktop tower might finally be coming to an end.